my video, I'm going to be doing the equation 332 divided by 4, and I'm going to start with an estimation. So I'm going to think, what times 4 is going to give me 332? Well, I'll start with a friendly number, and I'll try 4 times 100. I know that equals 400, but 400 is quite a ways over 332, so maybe I'll try a lower number than 100. Maybe I'll try 4 times 85. Now 85 is a little unfriendly to work with, so I'll split it into friendly numbers. I'll go 4 times 80 and 4 times 5, so I'm splitting up the 10s and the 1s, so the 80 and the 5. I know that 4 times 80 equals 320, because 4 times 8 is 32, and then I'm compensating for the 0, and 4 times 5 equals 20. So I'll add these up, and I get 340. So 4 times 85 is 340, which is pretty close to 332, so I'll use 85 as my estimate. Now I'm going to use base 10 blocks to model 332 divided by 4, and I'll do it symbolically here on the board. So first I'm going to think, how can I split 332 up into 4 groups? Well, maybe I'll try starting by putting 50 in each group, which I showed here by putting 5 rods of 10 in each group of 4. And I'll show that symbolically here. So I put 50 in each, so 50 times 4 is 200. So I'm going to subtract that from the 332, and I get 132. So maybe now I'll try and put 25 in each group. So now I've put 25 in each group, and I'll show that symbolically. So 25 in each, 25 times 4 is 100. So I'm subtracting 100 from 132, and I get 332. And I know that the 4 goes into 32 8 times, so I can put 8 more in each group. So I'll do that by using 8 ones. Okay, and I'll show that symbolically. So 8 in each group, 8 times 4 equals 32. Subtract that from 32 and I get 0. So I put 50 in each group first, then 25 in each group, then 8. So altogether I put 50 plus 25 is 75, plus 8 is 83. And so there are 83 in each group, so 332 divided by 4 is 83. Now, as one of the many strategies, I'll do a personal strategy of it's a compensation strategy for 332 divided by 4. So I'm going to split 332 divided by 4 into friendly numbers. So I'm going to split it up into 400 divided by 4 and 68 divided by 4. I know that 400 is 68 over 332. So when I get my answer for 400 divided by 4, I'm going to subtract the answer of 68 divided by 4 from that to get the answer for 332 divided by 4. So 400 divided by 4, we know is 100. 68 divided by 4 is a little bit harder for me to work with, so I'll split it up into friendly numbers. I'm going to to split it up into 40 divided by 4 and 28 divided by 4. 40 plus 28 is 68, so this is a method that works. 40 divided by 4 is 10. 28 divided by 4 is 7. We're going to add 10 and 7, we get 17. So we know that 68 divided by 4 is 17. Now, to get the answer for 332 divided by 4, we're going to subtract the 17 from the 100. Now, a way to think about this, 100 minus 20 equals 80, but I took 3 too many off. But 3 too many off, so I have to go 80 plus 3, and that equals 83, which is the answer. And this is just one of the many strategies you can use to solve 332 divided by 4.